What's up, my beautiful dreamers, and welcome back for another video with your girl, Shlinda1. Okay, guys, so it's 2018, right? And what happens in the beginning of 2018 that also happens at the end of 2017, you start to reminisce and you start to look back and you start to think about what things you did right, what things you did wrong, what things you learned from, some things you're trying to forget. When it comes to my natural hair, I've learned a lot. I've changed a lot. Well, I wouldn't say necessarily I changed a lot. It's more of my behaviors that I've changed. The regimen and the proper way to care for my hair, I've always known that. So that hasn't necessarily changed. But then I started to think about what things that I started doing that I obviously wasn't doing throughout the entire year. And what is those things that I definitely want to take, that I found most beneficial and I want to take into 2018. Something that I started to do at the very end of 2017 that I wish I had consistently did throughout 2017. However, it is definitely something that I will be taking into 2018. And that is pre-pooing. It is something that every once in a while I would do just with the focus of adding something to my hair to help me detangle, but not really treating the hair and my scalp specifically. So I wasn't very diligent with it at all. I would do it here and I would do it there, and I don't feel like doing it today. But I found that it's something that I must do, something that I need to do, something that my hair enjoys and my scalp enjoyed it as well. However, there's some pros and some cons with what I've been doing. So in this video, I'm going to show you what that pre-poo method looks like. I did get this from Natural 85. And so I tried it. I liked it. Got some reservations. I was going to keep it 100% real. And I'm going to tell you all about it. But first, let's just take care of some business real quick. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video with your girl Shlinda1. And be sure to hit the notification key so you become a part of the notification squad so you never miss another video with your girl Shlinda1. And if you've already done that, you might as well click on that like button. And let's go and let me show you my pre-poo routine. Roll them right now. I'm going. Okay, guys, so it all starts with your good old aloe vera leaves. You can get these from your local supermarket. I got them from ShopRite. They were like $1 some each. This is what they look like in all its loveliness and its beautifulness. And here we go. They're really inexpensive. First thing you want to do is prepare them. So you just cut off the bottom part where it looks like it's been burnt. Obviously it has. And don't just throw that piece away. Look at all that just juiciness in there. You can still use that. So don't just throw that away. Just put it to the side. And then you just want to slice it into like 3 to 4 slices, however many you think you need. Now, you can do these so many different ways. You can peel the whole thing and store it for later. You can do this however you feel like. Just think about how you want to do it, and then just wrap the rest into like a plastic wrap and put it into the refrigerator for its next use. Even if it did go bad, it's $1.49, I'm just saying. And just put that to the side. So then what you want to do, you just want to cut off those edges because those have the spikes at them, things hurt. And you want to have easier access to the middle where all the goodness is at. So all you want to do is take your knife and then just slice it right down the middle. And the reason why you want to do that is because you want to get to, I'm sorry, I didn't realize that was going to wash out like that. I'm sorry. But you want to get to the goodness. And even though you can't see it because it's up against yellow, Shlinda, that wasn't very smart. Your mother paid for your education, I'm just saying. So you just want to keep cutting the edges off and just slice it down the middle. You just want to make sure that you can get access to where the goodness is. And that's good enough for me and Kennedy. The oils I'm going to use my extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to use my black castor oil. You can use regular castor oil, but I have the black one and I have the extra strength, so I like it. This is my Mielle mint almond oil. I like it because it's mint. And I have vitamin E oil. And I'm just going to put it in this little like bottle. I like it because it has a little Doppler. I ordered these off of Amazon. So I have a whole bunch of these little bottles and the Dopplers for easy access to the scalpage area. Get you a bottle of water because you will need it. You're going to need a comb to make your parts nice and straight. You're going to need some clips to hold your hair. And girl, you know we can't do wash day without a damn, what's that, shower cap? Okay, so this is how I'm looking. Why is my lips, what is happening? Oh, get your life together. But you guys can see what I'm dealing with. My white scalp. Here it's just white. It's not flaking too bad, but it's just really, really white and just extremely dry. And that's even after putting something on it. So we need to treat it. So what your first thing you're going to do is you're going to split your hair into how many sections you want. I prefer 4 sections. And I agree, it is easier to put your hair into sections and try to get your parts. See that? See? That's just nasty. That's just crazy. It's easier to get to do it the right way and without as much breakage if you put the parts. Now look at all that goodness. That's just good goodness. So what you want to do is immediately put your nail or a knife, because as you do that, it's almost like you're cutting the surface of it, which gives you access to the goodness, which is the aloe. And all you want to do is you want to rub it onto your scalp. I always start with the edges of each area, and then I go in and part it. And when it gets dry, take your nails or a knife and just keep a slicing and get all the goodness. And you want to rub it directly onto that part. And obviously, as you can see, it's going onto the part, but it's obviously going onto the roots of your hair. And my hair just loved that. It loved it. So I took it in very small sections because I really want to treat my scalp. Now, this is why I said that next time I do this, I think I might wind up peeling the entire leaf and just getting the actual aloe. And the reason why is because you have to keep stopping, because eventually you're going to rub off all the surface aloe vera, and you're going to need to do that with your nail again. It's completely up to you. Just depends on how fast you want to use it. You don't want to peel it and just put it in. Oof. That's just horrible. And you don't want it to go to waste. So it's all up to you. Also, I found that this is quite slippery, so let's be prepared. Oh, also, guys, please don't wear your good Gucci shirt when you're doing this. You need to have on that real horrible shirt. And when I get to the end, I'm not letting any of this good that look like snot, right? It look like snot. It's hair snot. Aloe vera snot. I'm so crazy. So what I did with the rest of that, I just took it and rubbed it directly onto my hair, really focusing on the ends. Really wanted to coat my hair really well, especially on the ends with this aloe vera. My hair really responds well to this aloe vera. Take not your nails, just the fingertips, and really rub and massage your scalp. You don't do this if you're rushing. This is the time to pamper yourself, really go in there, stimulate that scalp. And you guys can see how my hair just loves it. So, of course, I did spray my hair a little bit with water. And that's just the aloe vera just really relaxing my hair. You can see how relaxed my hair is, how shiny it is. My hair really responds to aloe vera. My hair likes it. The benefits are beyond none. On the screen, I will continuously have all the benefits of the aloe vera. Now I have all 4 sections done. No, all 3 sections. I'm just going to work on this last section. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. I like to start on my edges, because to be honest with you guys, I get a lot of dryness right around my edges, so I'm really going kind of ham. Yeah, that gets a little frustrating. So just have some patience when you're doing this, because you're definitely going to need some patience, because it dries not quite quickly, but obviously you're applying the aloe. So take your time. Please don't do this if you're rushing, because you're going to get frustrated. And the whole purpose of doing this is to treat your scalp as well as your hair. Aloe vera benefits are tremendous. So this is the time, like I said, pamper yourself. Take time just for you and treat yourself. And I can express to you how calming this is on my scalp. It's almost like taking air, like cold air, and just blowing it directly onto the scalp. Has such a cooling and calming effect on my scalp. My scalp loves it. And it kept my flakes away. So usually after I shampoo and finish my hair, before 10 minutes go, my scalp is starting to get white again. After doing this, it does not happen. This treatment really does work. It doesn't keep it away, but it definitely does have an effect on how fast it does come back. So consistency is key. And as you can see, I'm just going to keep doing the same thing. I'm just going to really, and the reason why I didn't fast forward it, because I really want you guys to see how many times I parted my hair and did it. And just massage your scalp, girl. That felt good to it. You see her eyes rolling up behind her head? Then you want to take the oil. Now, originally, that's a cute idea, right? To put it in the Doppler. Ain't nobody going through all that. Ain't nobody got time for all that. You gonna pour that oil in your hand, girl. Put it on your scalp, girl. Massage your scalp, girl. And that's exactly what I did. And after I massaged it into my scalp, then, of course, I ran it across my hair. Now, what I would suggest is not to do this until you spray your hair with some water first. Make it a little bit pliable, just to make that oil even more slippery on the hair. And as you can see, I'm not even detangling, and my shedded hairs are just slipping out, which ideally is exactly what we want, and that's the shedded hair from that section. So now that it's all got the goodness on there, I'm just going to take my hair, put it into a twist, and get ready to put it into a get ready just to leave it in my hair. I'm going to put on my plastic hat here, and this is it. They look like gnats, but the curls, child, they curls. I know they curls. And so I'm just going to take my shower cap, and I usually put 2 on. And then, if you're not new, you know exactly what I'm reaching for. Yes, my winter hat, I got these from Family Dollar for like $3, and they're already insulated. So that makes them even better. And I left this on for this day, I think 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so guys, you've seen the pre-poo, you've seen the steps, you've seen what I'm using, the aloe vera, the oils, and all that good stuff, every step. But now here's the tea. It is extremely smoothing to my scalp when I take that raw aloe vera leaf and apply it to my scalp and massage it in. I find that my scalp really enjoys it. It's an instant calming type sensation. I noticed that my new growth, the roots of my hair, is so smooth, and it enjoys it so much. I mean, you can tell because it just lays down as if it was like a fresh relaxer. You ever had a fresh relax? Well, you probably, I don't know. But if you've ever been relaxed, you know what I'm talking about. When you had that fresh relaxer and them roots was just laid so right. That's what it feels like for me with my 4B hair when I apply it directly. It's not doing anything chemically to my strands. It's not going to change. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying it relaxes them so nicely. Just in case I didn't say this, I suffer from very dry scalp. I have to apply some type of something to my scalp on a daily basis to keep the flakes away. This is not new. This is something that I've always gone through since I can remember. It also really helped with the detangling of my hair. You didn't see me raking through my hair, but adding all the oils and that aloe vera really helped those shredded hair. It really helps that shredded hair come out and slide out easier. I find that my detangling process is easier. Well, as I'm rinsing that out, I'll go in and add just some regular conditioner. I use Tresemme, nice and cheap, has decent slip, along with those oils and that aloe. And my hair is detangling like it's nobody's business, especially when I add that conditioner to my hair that already is nice and soft and got the oil and stuff that's leaking out. And then I put it all under the water and I detangle under the water in sections, child. My hair I've never experienced such easy detangling. After I use the conditioner, I go in with my clarifying shampoo to really make sure everything is off my scalp as well as my strands, because after that, I want to go directly in with my deep conditioner. I don't want anything on my strands to block my deep conditioner. I'm totally getting off the point. The point is, have I seen a difference? The answer is yes. However, it has definitely decreased my flakes. However, it did not eliminate my flakes. It's been about a good 3 months that I've been doing this process. And like I said, it's definitely better. As you can see, it's definitely better. I definitely can tell that it's calming my scalp down, but clearly this is a process. And it's not going to happen overnight is what I'm trying to say. But I wanted to be honest with you about this process. I didn't want it to come across as, oh, this is the saving grace and this is exactly going to solve all your problems. If it does for you, then I am ecstatic. But what I'm sharing with you is that I found that this process is more of a benefit to help me calm my scalp, treat my scalp, and help me detangle versus correct it or eliminate it, because that it did not do. I just want to be honest with you guys. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little lengthy. I didn't mean to, but I like to make sure I give it all to you guys. I don't want to just give you a routine and then you go and do it and then you be like, okay, well, she didn't tell me it wasn't going to work or it wasn't going to do this. I want you to know the goods, the bads, the ugly, and everything else. I want you to know what it works, what doesn't work, my experience, and all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, come on. You ready? Rate, comment, and subscribe. And definitely be sure to subscribe because you never want to miss another video with your girl, Shlinda1. On this channel, we talking hair, we talking makeup. Yeah, that's pretty much what we talking, hair and makeup. And you want to hit the notification key so you also never miss another video with your girl, Shlinda1. I love you guys so much. Be good to yourself and to those around you. I love you so much. Be sure to go absolutely everywhere and follow me at Shlinda1. And I will see you guys on the very next video. You guys have a tremendously blessed day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.